Did you know? In 2025, AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming a direct competition for humans. Today, I'll reveal the shocking truth about AI versus humans that will blow your mind. AI can now process data 10 times faster than humans. From stock trading to video editing, even creating music, AI does in seconds what takes humans hours. But is speed really everything? Humans have something AI doesn't: creativity and emotions. Imagination, feelings, and originality can't be replaced by machines. That's why AI is powerful, but still incomplete without the human touch. Talking about technology, here's a shocking battle: iOS versus Android in 2025. The iPhone 17 Pro Max and Samsung S24 Ultra are no longer just about specs. This has become a war of lifestyle and AI integration. Experts predict that by 2030, AI and humans won't be rivals but partners. AI will handle calculations, while humans bring creativity. The future won't be about one winning, it will be about collaboration. So, in the race of AI versus humans, which side are you on? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.